Good day, and welcome to the International Space Station. I'm NASA astronaut Nick Hague, along with my crewmate NASA's Christina Cook. Flying 250 miles above the Earth, traveling 17,500 miles per hour, we have the distinct honor of living and working aboard this magnificent orbital laboratory. As we near the 50th anniversary of humanity's first footsteps on the moon, we want to add our congratulations to those provided by Walt Cunningham, Al Worden, and Charlie Duke as the world celebrates the achievements of the Apollo program.
We wish each of you much success this week as you showcase the innovative products and services that American innovation and industry can offer our partners around the world. The Paris Air Show is truly magnifique. Good luck, and as you all say best, we're all on a mission.